Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is inspired by Zendaya's character Anne Wheeler from The Greatest Showman. I absolutely love the film. I've seen it so many times and it's literally just amazing, and the soundtrack is amazing. Yeah, I love it. So I love the character of Anne Wheeler, and especially her hair, and of course that she hangs from a hoop from the ceiling, which is amazing and also a lot harder than it looks. I have tried a couple of times and it's actually really fun. So if you ever get a chance to try aerial hoop, then I would definitely recommend it. I actually wanted to film this ages ago, but I was waiting for this wig to come, and I actually really like pink hair. I never thought I would, but yeah, it's different. So if you want to know how to recreate this look, then carry on watching. So this is the finished look. Obviously it's the look that she wears when she's performing, not all the time, but I thought this was just a lot more fun. As you can see, it's very gold eyes. Mine are a little bit more copper, but it was the closest I had. But yeah, it's so easy to do, and you can use as much bronzer as you want, highlight, yeah, just you want it to shine. So I hope you liked this look, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions of what characters you would like me to do next, then please leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!